Hello, my fellow grocery addict, it's Jackie. I have a few last minute grocery runs today because we had plans on Saturday that we didn't have when I did my weekly grocery shopping. We haven't done a family Christmas yet with my mom. We have finally got it scheduled for this Saturday, and I need to get some goodies to take to my mom's house. So let's get to Aldi and then to Fresh Thyme afterwards for a few items, and I'll share with you what I got. I'm heading into a new Aldi that I don't normally shop at. I'm taking these to my mom's house. I'm going to get 2 of them at $4.99 a piece for a late family Christmas. We are taking some cucumbers to my mom's, and I'm going to get this pine roasted hummus to dip them in, $1.95. And then I'm taking white cheddar cheese, $2.99, and mild cheddar cheese, $1.65. I'm actually going to buy this for next week's dinner. I'll make Asian beef dish with it, $6.18, but my Aldi rarely keeps this in stock, so since I'm here at a different Aldi, I'll grab this now. Okay, so Frugal Me is doing some comparison. It's $2.39 for 13 ounces of these, or $4.99 for 13 ounces of these. So I'm actually going to get 3 boxes of these and put these back, because I'm cheap. I'm getting sweet gherkins for $1.95, and then they only have dill pickle spears, so I wanted the little dill pickles, but I'll get these instead at $1.55. And I made Christmas cookies, and I ran out of butter, so $2.89. I don't know how much these are, but I'm adding them to my pickle selection. I've heard they're great. Okay, I'm at Fresh Thyme, a pint of blueberries, 2 for $5. That seems like a really good price, so I'm going to grab them. This is actually what I came here for, a queso blanco dip. I'm taking it to a party, $4.99 to go with pretzels. I'm going to get this homemade peanut butter. They fresh grind it. It's $1.99. Love these Amish egg noodles, $3.49. So I spent $28.82 at Aldi, and then I spent $19.08 at Fresh Thyme, and now I have not only some food for next week's dinners and snacks for our house, but I also have some appetizer type foods to take to my mom's house, and I'm really looking forward to finally celebrating Christmas almost in February. I'm taking pretzels with the cheese dip from Fresh Thyme. We have crackers at my house, crackers and the cube cheese with hummus and sliced cucumbers, all the pickles. I have a bunch of olives still at my house that I'm going to have. And together with the stuff my mom and my siblings bring, we're just going to have a big old appetizer feast. I hope you enjoyed this midweek haul. I look forward to sharing with you my normal weekly grocery shopping on Sunday. If you're interested in seeing why I bought those Amish noodles, I use those in an Instant Pot beef and noodle recipe, which now that I have the noodles, I'm going to have to make soon. You can check out how I make beef and noodles right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.